My life changed. MaggieHoops with Talent Hoop Station is something that will make your work easier. I have a small business with embroidery. Previously, I used normal hoops, then my work was longer. When I heard about MaggieFrame, my life changed. MaggieHoops with Talent Hoop Station is something that will make your work easier.
Hello, I am Matthew. I am embroiderer with 1 year and I used plastic hoop before. But at last month I saw MaggieFrame store on Google. Their website and hoops attracted me very much. I haven't bought anything from China before and I was not sure its quality. But its price is really cheaper than other brands like MaggieHoop. After much think, I ordered a small size frame to test the quality. I was a little worried all the while waiting, but when I got a package, my worries were unfounded. I want to say that China brand cheaper price on the contrary is a great value for money. The advantage of MaggieFrame is good quality, easy to use, very nice service, and currently I only use MaggieFrame.
In the first step, I choose the place where I want to do the embroidery. Then I give the lower part of the MaggieFrame. Then I put on the base to stabilize the embroidery. In the second step, I put on the t-shirt and set it up. Now I put hydrofilm. The last step is to press the upper part of the MaggieFrame hoop. And now I can start the embroidery. Do you want to change your job for the better? If so, I recommend MaggieFrame.